Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to save a project in Capcut. Okay, so let's say this is our project, and we've added some effect. Okay, so let's say we've added some nice effect, and we want to save it like this, and then come back to it and use it later. We want to save it and come back and do more settings if we want to later on. So what we can do is just close the app like this. Okay, so as you can see right here, this is our video. So if I click on this video right here, so as you can see, still have our effect. Okay, so let's say we want to remove the effects that we added, right? So as what we're gonna do, you're gonna click on the effect. As you can see, click on the effects, and then I can just delete it. All right, so it's pretty easy and straightforward. And if you want to export your video, let's say you've put the effect and then you want to export it, you have to do is just click on export. Okay, name, and then you pick a location. Once you pick a location, then you export your video. So it's pretty easy, straightforward. So if you gain something from this video, make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.